Hello, little monkeys. Today, big monkey scientist is thinking, what is everything made of? Like a banana tree, or even you. Imagine you have a giant, delicious banana. If you keep cutting it in half, and then in half again, and again, and again, and again, and again, eventually you get to a piece of banana so small you cannot cut it anymore. But it's still a banana. This super tiny banana is called atom. But wait, even these tiny little bananas have parts inside. Imagine these tiny bananas, the atoms, like a huge empty jungle. In the very middle of the jungle, at the center, lives the big monkey king with his neutral monkey friends. The big monkey king is called a proton. He is very strong and always happy, so he is a plus positive charge. His neutral monkey friends are called neutrons. They just hang out, no charge, they are just lazy monkeys on a hot day. Together, these guys make the nucleus. But outside the nucleus, far, far away, there are the zippy little monkeys. These are called electrons. They are super tiny, like little grains of sand compared to a big banana. And they are always, always moving. They have a minus charge. They are always negative because they are sad and angry that someone has stole their banana. The number of big monkey kings tell us what kind of atom it is. If you have only one big monkey king, it's an hydrogen atom. Very simple, like a single banana. When atoms connect, they make everything we see. For example, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. If you put them together, you get water. So, next time you eat a banana, remember, you're munching on billions and billions of tiny, mostly empty bananas. Everything is made of small bananas. I love bananas. See you next time, little monkeys. Don't forget to eat your bananas and subscribe so I can get you more banana videos.